What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. Today was an absolutely amazing day for the SoFi stock because early on in the trading day, we did hit the eligibility requirements to be qualified for the S&P 500. Of course, you guys know the two big requirements are 4 quarters in a row of GAAP profitability and also 18 billion market cap, which we hit early on in the trading day. But of course, the algos, the short sellers know exactly what that dollar amount is to the penny. And as soon as we came across that, penny range, massive shorting was going on. So, guys, the market knows exactly what the requirements are right now for the SoFi at that $18 billion level. We're going to be, eclipsing that pretty soon, guys. So what we need to do is start to hold over that level and never return to that level again, because that is the final step to enter the S&P 500, guys. We got to hold over that 18 billion market cap. I don't know the exact time frame. We're going to look more into it. Google AI was giving me a different answer compared to two other pages. So we just need to figure out, is it a 3 month, 6 month, or 12 month requirement of holding over that 18 billion. But guys, my prediction is still we're going to be entering the S&P 500 by the end of 2025. So guys, that's what I'm banking on. I'm putting my money on, entering the S&P 500 over the next 12 months, holding over that $18 billion market cap. We're going to be taking a look at a lot of other things, guys. We're going to be looking at the call options, the put options. It looks like we have a big slowdown coming for the next 2 to 3 weeks, which I think could be amazing upside entering a Christmas rally, guys, a Santa Claus rally inside of December. There's no reason to be selling stocks right here, guys. If people are taking profits, they're going to be buying back in higher. There's no really tax losses to, do right now. The SP 500's up, 30%. I believe we're going to have a Christmas rally, and, it's still early on for small caps because, the IWM still hasn't even hit the 2021 level. So, guys, I'm getting very excited here. We're going to look at a lot of cool things today. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into it. All right, guys, take a look at it. The market is still open. I believe the market's going to be open till 1 or 1:30. It's a shorter day because of Black Friday. But, guys, take a look. The SoFi stock is up 2% today. We're hitting new 52-week high each and every single day. But look at these two levels we hit early on in the day. That magical 1659 and that magical 1660. And, of course, we got shorted at both of these levels and, a sell-off or whatever, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly. So take a look right here, guys. At 1660, you can see SoFi is eligible for the S&P 500 because the market cap is cleared $18 billion. We also cleared the requirements of 4 quarters in a row GAAP profitability. This is the screenshot on Robinhood where you can see the market cap eclipsing $18 billion, guys. So you guys can see right at those levels, 1659 and 1660, just massive shorting. Probably going to, hold the stock out to under 1650 for the options level. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. We need to start to hold this level and never come back. We got to clear 17 and 20, just for, in case the market corrects and stuff like that, because we want to hold over this level for the next 6 to 12 months to enter the S&P 500 by the end of 2025. That is the big goal. I believe we're going to get, a massive, massive boost from institutions, buying in on the index, guys. The stock's going to probably shoot up, $10 or $15, by the end of the year. So this is a massive, massive milestone that the SoFi stock has hit. And you guys can see there is still clueless bears out there that want to try and, bash the SoFi stock for no apparent reason. I mean, why would you comment on something like this if you haven't done your due diligence or your research? You just look like a fool, guys. They need to be profitable on 4 consecutive quarters first. I said, who's going to tell them? People are going after this guy in the comments on that, tweet. It is pretty funny. We'll go look at him real quick just to have a nice laugh. Here it is, guys. We have Miles. Guess you missed the last earnings call. Unborn. LMFAO. It's still early to delete this, bro. Joe, great news. You mean last 4 quarters already? Victor, what planet are you on? This guy, I mean, it's just crazy. People will post stuff like this and just don't even care to do any research, guys. So, yes, guys, SoFi has hit the requirements, 4 quarters in a row of profitability. eclipsing 18 billion early on in the day. We were S&P 500 eligible for a second. We just needed to maintain that level. So guys, we need to clear past this 17, $18 level just to make it more simple so we don't have a correction going back under that $18 billion level. All right, guys, and here we go. We got the calls and the puts, the options flow. Take a look. Here we go. Expiration date November 29th. That is today. Look at the puts and the calls. Not crazy out of this world, guys. 111,000 on the calls, 86,000 on the puts, but look where we're headed the next 2 weeks. I smell money here. I smell the market makers letting this bad boy move up a little bit in the beginning of a Christmas rally, the first 2 weeks. Look, guys, 78,000 on the calls, 27,000 on the calls 2 weeks later. Then we have a little bit of a big, 115,000 here. But guys, the next 2 weeks, smooth sailing ahead. Even when I'm looking at this Friday, you can see the stock's up. Might clear 1650 to finish out the week. Everyone got smashed right around earnings a couple of weeks ago when the stock sold off 10% and, didn't really do a lot of moving. And then, we made our way out of it. So that was just what they did. They tried to flush it out on the earnings call. And then they have no choice because the earnings were just absolutely amazing. So, guys, my price target on the stock for this year, 2024, is still $20. Okay. I think we can hit $20 in the next 4 weeks. I think we're going to get a big move. Hopefully we get some, big news that could potentially move the stock. I'm going to show you guys. This is not what I'm betting on, but this is a potential opportunity that we may get to see the stock see a good amount of inflows. And here it is, guys. This was 2 weeks ago. Unusual will. SpaceX is preparing to launch a tender offer in December to sell existing shares from employees at a price of $135 per share. And guys, take a look. SoFi, the main SoFi Twitter, is commenting. Interesting. And what's even more interesting is a bunch of people commented, and SoFi, didn't make any comments back of anything at all. So guys, this may be a home run inside of December if SpaceX does their share offering, their tender offer through the DSP 2.0, guys. That's SoFi's IPO share platform. This is going to be absolutely huge because SoFi signups are going to go through the roof of people trying to get their hands on, any existing shares of SpaceX, guys. So this could be an amazing opportunity. I believe, there's a 25% chance that, this could, happen through SoFi, but members are going to go through the roof if SoFi is getting, these people wanting SpaceX shares. You can already get that through ARK Invest, which we've seen ARK Invest do a lot of, marketing on YouTube, trying to get people to their fund. They have to go through the SoFi platform. So, guys, this could be a potential 1 million member mark for SoFi in Q4. Everything is looking awesome, guys. Q4 is going to be a blowout. January 30th. We're literally, around 60 days away. I'm very excited. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Guys, I believe the story for SoFi is just beginning. Everything is happening that we want it to happen. Q4 is going to be the blowout quarter that we've been waiting on. This SpaceX news could give us a little bit of boost to clear 20 easily in December for a Christmas rally. And of course, the S&P 500, we eclipsed eligibility early on in the day. I believe we're going to clear that $16.59 mark pretty soon. Potentially next week, and we could hold over and never look back. So, guys, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.